Hello, fellow entrepreneur. New team members are taking massive action and jumping in on this instant commissions opportunity. Do you have 20 minutes a day? Do you want to work your own schedule? Do you know how to copy and paste? Well, with this simple copy and paste technique, you can make more than $100 daily from the comfort of your own home. But in order for you to achieve this, you will need two things: a laptop or smartphone and an internet connection. If you have these two things, you can earn online. It's that simple. It's easy and zero stress. You can possibly start making unlimited $50, $150, and $300 commission payments. Why do I say possibly? Because it all depends on how much effort and work you put into it. But you can do this from anywhere in the world. You can be sleeping and making money. Are you ready to join? If so, you'll get digital marketing training, pre-made tools, funnels, and email broadcasts, pre-made posts and email swipes, and an awesome community with a lot of support. This is only for serious people. So if you're ready to join, click on the link below to get started and join me on my journey to success as we rise to the top.